Jury selection is critical in any area of law. It is more delicate in animal law because there are a lot of things that get prosecuted or get sued for that regular folks out there think, is this really worth the time and the resources to prosecute, even though they really like animals? The biggest mistake lawyers make in jury selection is trying to argue their case instead of trying to ask open questions to uncover the data that they need to make informed, intelligent decisions about challenges. Well, I think the key characteristic to look out for in a criminal trial is where does somebody fall on the authoritarian versus anarchist spectrum, and where are you? Authoritarians are going to line up with the prosecution, and the people who are more anti-authoritarian are going to be a little more open to a defendant's story. Any attorney who's about to try a case should adopt the mindset with the jurors, with the prospective jurors. I want to understand, I want the information that's going to hurt me, I'm going to be open, and I'm going to be brave.